Welcome back to another tutorial. It is Sarah Michaels here. So in this video, I just want to show you really quick how to set up notifications for yourself. Like if you have to follow up with a business or something like that. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. Now, there is an app that you can use for follow-up. It's called Teamzy. If you want to do that, you can absolutely do that. But I'm just going to show you an easy, fast, free way to set it up on your phone using Google Calendar. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is have a Google account or Gmail that you use for business. So if you haven't already gone and done that, I would set it up. It's really easy, and I would just, do that first. So something that you're going to use for business. And then you go into Google Calendar. And so let's say, for example, that a business asked you to follow up 3 months from now. You would go 1, 2, 3, and that would put us at February. So that would be Valentine's Day. I would say you would probably want to follow up with them maybe on Tuesday, the day after. So all you do then is you go in here and you go like this. You can say follow up, and I don't do all day. I set it at a specific time. So I'll say like 9:30 a.m. and I usually put like a little emoji because you know me, I'm like emoji queen. Let's see. Okay. Follow up, and then I like to go like this. Yes. Okay. So there, 9:30 a.m. So now what you want to do is you want to go in here and click on this right here. So this is going to tell you to follow up 30 minutes before that. So you can send yourself a notification. You can also set as many of these as you want. So you can add another one. You can add it one day before. You can add another notification. You can say like, let's say 15 minutes before, 10 minutes before, whatever. So that way you have that done. And then in the notes, I usually tell myself what business it is. So you could be like dispensary A, 1, 2, 3, whatever the dispensary name is, and then you click on save, and it will literally remind you to follow up with that business. The other thing that and the best part about this is that it'll be in your calendar. So when you go to click on it, you can see that right there on your calendar, and that's it. That's a free, easy way to use Google Calendar to follow up with business prospects. Now, if you're looking for a little bit more of an advanced strategy and you have a bunch of different leads and people to follow up with, then I do recommend a different app specifically for network marketers, and that is called Teamzy, and that's in the Business Resource Vault. You can watch those tutorials, but I don't want you to feel like you have to use that. You absolutely can just use this, and it is obviously already synced into your calendar.